us around Franschhoek. Just tell us a little bit about what you do and where you've been taking us.
Okay, I'm from Franschhoek Adventures and I do outdoor activity tours around Franschhoek to get people outdoors and active instead of just eating and drinking when they're here. Today we're doing the history tour, which is a 2-hour tour to take you around the back streets of Franschhoek and show you something new and something different, not just the monument and the museum. Because people tend to walk around town and they don't know what they're looking at, so it's interesting to show them and give them some information about the houses. The old station building. We visit the dead centre of town, the old cemetery, and have a look at some of the old original inhabitants' graves that are there. Then we also go to Reverend Hum's house, who was the first pastor of the Dutch Reformed Church here, and as well as the first teacher, which is Mr. Voigt. We go and visit his house, and then we look at the school and the old hostels, and then we move up to further uptown, and we look at some of the old churches that were built there, and we end at the main big church in town.
I'm Huguenot from the blog Tulips and Phoenixes. It's strictly South African travel. I love the architecture and the walks of the houses basically. It was interesting to hear about the years that they were built in and also the stories behind the dates and the updates, as some are saying 1803 and some are saying 2013, so it was quite interesting.
So it's a very historical town.
Yes, it is, and some beautiful architecture, beautifully preserved as well. And that was my favorite part, I would say so far.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.